Hello everybody, got a little update video for you of what's coming up next on the channel. Got the B20 engine to go in the Civic, got an S9B limited slip differential gearbox to go with it. Big brake kit, big old discs, Integra calipers, that'll be a good brake upgrade for the Civic. Boo, no VTEC. Also got this bigger anti-roll bar. This will fit the Civic. It's from the CRV, but it's about twice the thickness of the Civic anti-roll bar, so that is going to make a significant handling upgrade. This is a clever little thing. This is for the Civic. This is a bracket that bolts to the top of the strap tower, somewhere there, and pushes against the master cylinder to stop the bulkhead flexing under hard braking. What a mad upgrade. The music monster. Ruster. We love Ruster. Ruster's got some new wheels, some old tatty wheels, but that suits the car. They're not going to be painted, I'm just going to leave them like that, just to match the rest of the car. I think they look mad. Awesome little car. I have tidied up a bit in here now, taken out the rear carpets. I've left the brown trim in because honestly it doesn't really weigh anything, and I kind of like it. I like that old retro feel. There's the CRV looking very sorry for itself. Yay, Fiat! Yellow Fiat. Yellow ignition leads, and yellow poly bushes. Them's the rules. Yeah, and got these as well. These are poly bushes for the little Fiat. The Fiat needs some upgrades, needs some suspension upgrades. So, anti-roll bar poly bushes, I reckon, are a good place to start. Got a new intake for the B20 engine going in the Civic. So yeah, there's lots of fun things happening at Mohican Motorsport coming up soon. Obviously it's a bit difficult at the moment, what with the global pandemic and everything, but we'll do our best. We'll get on with it. We've got a lot to get on with. It's going to be fun. So come with us and see this really slow Civic be slightly less slow, and maybe snap some drive shafts on the Micra.